Hi, Darren from WAGS Valve. Your water heater may go unseen, hidden in a utility closet or somewhere in your basement. But did you know that 70% of water tank failure is from sudden bursts or from slow leaks? A leaking water heater can leak for days, even weeks, and can leak hundreds of gallons of water if left undetected and cause a nearby damage to walls, floors, electrical wirings, and furnishings. Property managers can make sure that buildings and properties are equipped to handle water tank failure by taking appropriate measures to mitigate the potential loss and damage. The simple and smart way to avoid loss and damage is with a WAGS valve. The WAGS valve works by automatically closing off the cold water supply line, ensuring the property against flooding damage. And remember, a WAGS valve on your water heater requires no batteries, no electricity, no maintenance, no wireless signals, and most of all, no worries for the property owner. If you have any questions or concerns, please message or call us at 844-438-9247. The WAGS valve, simple, smart, with well over 100,000 plus installed. WAGS will watch, so you don't have to.